Sige na, padayon na.
Ito assuming na nasa report ng inaw mo.
Oo.
Kaya nag-accident, mabuking na natin.
Hindi na, padayon na. Gikuhaan na ba na ako. Sige na.
Information about that should be derived from many sources. Very drilling to gain source samples that provide a vertical section
Smile ba eh?
present geophysical studies that provide data on it through antecedents of different rock layers. And the distribution of that water usually having on the basis of source surface of the architectural layout so interlink between points of samples there.
Okay, so if you have some questions, please take note then. Are you there? Okay, so di ba nangampanya man sa inyo sa inyong graduate studies, right? Pwede mo diri mag-masters. Ako sa'yo mangampanya sa inyo ha. The latest course that is offering by the MPSC, soon to be in USC, is in the School of Engineering and Architecture. This is Master of Science in Environmental Geotechnique. Geotechnique. So, muni siya. Muni field. So, diri ka ay siya paminaw. Ang picture is, diri ka mag-study of mga basic mga courses, and then you will complete your MS in Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand. So, diri ka mag-compile. Dito mo i-complete. So, yung degree is from Thailand. Oh, degree sa mga $58,000. Is the first graduate study offered by MPSC mula sa Mindanao. See? So, ayun naman, ganito, diri lang sa
Sige.
so that you can appreciate very much. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, so according to Asia Brewery,
Wala po.
According to you, Morgan, ang kailangan liquid waste disposal is dito deep well.
Deep well.
Pero ang release dito sa deep well.
Tinik kasi.
Sa tubo, ito dito akin. Di ba, may nakita nga kwan. Pero in most cases, when we had an opportunity to visit the Pepsi Cola company, ayaw lang sa Coke, dili man drink all you can. Dito sa Pepsi, drink all you can. So, kung sa bisag, so, sa Pepsi mo nga bro, nakawain sa akong tayo na to. So, ang ilang liquid waste disposal is very much efficient. So, they are employing biological treatment, chemical treatment, and physical treatment. So, dito sa makita niya, mulabas ang wastewater is already within the DNR standard set according to DNR Administrative Order Certified Service of 1919. So, muna sa DNR daw, DNR Administrative Order